My name's Barbara Davies and I'm with Autobody News, and I came out here for the media event here at Axalta, and it's an incredibly impressive training facility. I know it just opened last year, it still looks brand new today. We had a really good orientation from Harry Christman when we started, and it was really beneficial to me to understand how the MSO market, what part of the market that is in overall collision repair versus the independents. And Harry then went in to explain how kind of a version 1.0, version 2.0 kind of mindset for painters, the people that don't really want to change. Axalta has their product, the Cromax Easy, and then for the painters that are a little bit more open to change, and certainly the MSOs are pushing this to be much more productive and a faster painting process, was Hi-TEC. So it all made great sense in the overview of the training session, and then we actually got to go in and paint, which was incredible. So we got all suited up, we looked like Martians, and then we went through the process of actually painting Cromax Easy, and it was, 2 coats, we had to let it dry, and then we went in and did a 3rd coat, and then we went in and painted with the Hi-TEC, but really to show the productivity of what you can get with the Hi-TEC product. So I think it's great that they have a training facility to bring people in, to actually have people experience it themselves.